we move to chapter 8.7. Now it's talking about text. So text is primarily we should starting from the text box, or the formal name you can use is text frame. So that is the placeholder for the text. So we will learn the text frame, have text frame, those properties within shape. So in a shape, you have the text frame property, and then we use this add text box to add the new text frame. And then we can discuss about the text frames properties. So there are different methods. So this video we focus on the first three parts. Next video we primarily talking about the style, style on paragraph level, on run level, and also on the text box level. So when you read here, you may start to. I hope you have some memory back to the Word. Within Word, we have the document, and within document, even we have some section level, but primarily we have the paragraph level. Then within paragraph, you have one or many runs. Within runs, you have text. Then we have the style can apply to the different hierarchy level. So when you learn this PowerPoint part, you may feel some similarity on this text part. But those are the, when we move to the chart, table, pictures, they have some unique features, but many things or the concept is sharing. So first, let's go to our demos. So let me create our new folder. So back to the chapter 8. So create 8.7, work with text. And let's starting from how you can retrieve or you can acquire our text frame. So text frame is the property under shape. So we can starting from this one. So let's go to our chapter, and we use new file. So 871 retrieve text frame.py. So let's starting from our famous three lines: ptx, import, presentation, and then the ppt equal to presentation, make that instance. For this one, we don't need to save, so we can skip the last one. So, but let's run so that we can start to check it's our working folder. So let's change the working folder to -7. So now this is our current folder. That's good. Then we add one new slide. PPT slides, ensure you have S, and add the slide. Then here is the layouts. So PPT, so slide layouts. So we use this cover page. So let's save. And then for shape, in shapes, slide dot shapes. So if not shape has text frame, continue. So we just use this way, then we can load all the text frame shape. Then we put this text frame equal to shape dot text frame. So that assume is we only have one text frame. So print. So every text frame is we will put the one print. So it's not assumed the one. So it's the traverse. So in this layout 0, we have 2 text frame. Then you can see here. So let's put this to 4. You can see we have 5 text frame. You remember the number 4. is we have the title line, we have the left part, right part. Left part have the subtitle and the content. Right part is the subtitle and the content. So total 5 shapes. So these are the using this way you can get any slide and load their text frame in your purpose. Then let's continue. Is the 872 to add text frame. So the add is we will use slides and shapes objects. We have this add underscore text box. So now it's pay attention. It's not called text frame. It's called text box. So first, let's put over these 3 lines. So from PTX import presentation. PPT is equal to presentation, and then the PPT save is 872. So we will have this one. So PP intro is PPTX. So you run this and to see your file is generated. That's perfect. First, then let's start to add. So we need to add a slide. Then using this slide and add our text box into the shape. So let's see the PPT slides, add slide, PPT dot slide layouts. Let's keep using the 0. It's a simple one. We have 2 the elements. So left equal to top equal to CM. So we add this the text box. We need to give this position. So since we use the CM, we should load this utilities the length unit. So we load this CM, and here is a CM3, and width equal to height equal to CM15. So let's try to run to see. So PPT, no module called PPT. So here you can see that can be quickly check your issues. So PPTX. So now it's no error. Let's continue. Height. So width is 15 and the height is not a 15, so it's just a 5. And then we can start to define our text box. We give this variable text underscore box is a slide shapes. Under shapes, we have this add text box method. This method you need to give left, top, width, height. So using these 4 arguments, you can define this location and position. So print type your text box, and also you can print text box shape type. Let's see here is the type is class auto shape dot shape. This shape type is the text box. The index is number 17. So let me copy this. Result is like this. Yeah, hope you get the same result. Then we have this text frame equal to text box dot text frame. So text frame is our the property of a text box. Then we can print type of your text frame. You cannot add our text frame directly. You need to add a text box, then point to the text frame through the property. So that is the here. Result is like a class PPTX text frame. So those are the add text box method. So using that is you can add a new text box and then add and point to the text frame. When they have the text frame, then we can try to modify or add some text. This add text is similar to the Word because it's also controlled by the paragraph object and the run object. So let's try to do some test. So -7 and -3. So add text py, and we have the first lines are same. So let's copy. So we don't need these lines, I think. So we can ignore this CM. So we have this 3 line, and we have the last line, but we will save to -7. So with these 4 lines, we have the base of our program. So let's run to ensure your PowerPoint file is generated. Then we have our slide. Through this is we will use this for loop to add content. So for shape in slide shapes. So this one I think as you should be familiar is that is just traverse all the shapes within your the slide, and we will check is you cannot add text to our shape that's not our text frame. So we need to have this one. So you can use if not shape dot has a text frame, or you can check if shape dot has text frame equal to false. So that is the same effect. So let's use this one. So that means is if I check our shape that is not text frame, I will continue. So that for this layout 0 is no problem, but for a layout like I remember is 8 or 9, they are the chart or picture. So those shape is not the text frame. So using this check, you will skip that without trigger some errors. Then if this is text frame, then we define our variable text frame is shape dot text frame. Then we can have our paragraph equal to text frame dot paragraph is starting from 0. So this is the same the way of the working. So then you can start to assign paragraph dot text property. So this is my first text frame. So let's see from here text frame. So let me see text frame. What the arrow? So arrow is coming from line 11. Paragraph. Paragraph equal to text frame. This text frame is here. Dot here. So I forgot this S. So that is the different. So let's see. So our 8.7 now. This one. You can see here every shape. If this is the text frame, they will add that. So let's close this and do the test on like it's R8. Let's run. So here, this is text frame. This 8 is also text frame. So let me see whether it's 9. You can see, so even this is in the vertical, is also the text frame. So let me see the slide master. So this one. So since they are the auto box, so even this is the picture. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. 9 is also, and this is the 8. I already put 8 because the sequence is not the same. So that is the tricky part. Oh, so here is let me see. O. Here is also the text frame. So we assign the paragraph to all those boxes means the frame. So whenever you have your check is that will give the text frame text. So, but this is our also our safe way because if that are really not our text frame, the ready the shape, you should skip that. So and then the if you can add something is if this is our text frame, then you can keep adding more. So let's see. So let me treat this as 1 and put this. Let me put R2. So text 2. So I will save this to second one. So using this, we will try to add some more text. I back to this 0, and we have our slide generated, and let's define a shape. Shape is the slides dot shapes 0. So first the shape. So let's skip this and make this one. And if shape dot is has text frame is true, then what we will do is we will define text frame within the shape. So shape dot text frame. And let's run this. So if your file is generated correctly, then you don't have syntax error. Then you can continue. So P1 is the paragraph 1. It's the text frame paragraph. So try not to forget about this S. So first the paragraph and the P1 dot text equal to this is default paragraph, and we define P2 is the text frame add paragraph. So this is the same as what we have done in the Word, just in the different object. So P2 text, this is the new added paragraph, and then we keep adding. So we can directly use text frame dot add paragraph. Put text property in the same line. So the third paragraph, and then we print line. Oh, so here is this code. So line text frame dot paragraph, and we have a save, and we can see we should have 3. And let's code this one. So you can see this is the title line, but we have 3 lines. Actually, you don't distinguish this as the paragraph in PowerPoint itself, but this in the code, we treat that as the 3 paragraph within the text frame. And the text frame is within your shape. Your shape is within your slide. So that is the hierarchy. So until here, I hope you get to know roughly the basic things about handling the text. It's not difficult if you tried using this Python hyphen docx to deal with the word in the previously video and follow my practice. I hope you are now find familiar on those handling the material. And next video, let's talk about the style. Thank you for watching. See you then.